Alright. Well, today, I will be doing a video of these alarms. This thing even has a light. I got a new phone, and it has a light on it. So I will be doing a video on my alarms. I'm not sure if the light will stay on. I guess that depends on where you put your camera. I'm not sure of that. I guess there's an option. Well, I'm not going to mess with that right this minute. This is going to be a test of the system sensor that's up here. And I like the light on this now. It's pretty nice. The system sensor, classic, and there's an advance right here. Yes, I got another one. And the money came out of my pocket for this one. I'm going to close this window. It's loud. Alright. It's very loud. Hold on, let me put the camera down. And get a very good view of my speaker. While I'll tape the alarms. They're awfully loud. That's taped. The other one's just as loud. Hold on for a second. I just want to make sure I get everything good, you know what I mean? Because I don't want it being so loud and ridiculous. And this should work. If it's still loud, then oh well. I'm planning on getting more alarms. It just depends on the money I get. Set to 9 volts. So, here goes nothing. Test this. This is going to be a very rigorous test. Get this set up. There we go. And it's hooked on that's the system sensor classic. I'm gonna plug it. It is still loud, but at least I taped it, and at least it's not as loud as it was last time. I tested it with the no tape, and it was freaking loud, like unbearably loud. But that's all I'm gonna do today. Just wanted to test my phone out for the video because I know that it has great memory. That's all I have for today, and hopefully you get new alarms and a full station, so I don't have to keep plugging it. But it's like a car adapter. But I'm just gonna do it. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching.